Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today you guys are gonna watch me slay a frontal wig. Yes, of course, I made this wig. This hair is from Kendras boutique. I used all 26-inch bundles and an 18-inch closure. The color was 613, and yes, I watercolored it to this nice pretty blue it is right now. But keep watching because this is so cute. A flat braid down is very important for your sew-ins and your wig installs, so make sure when you braid your client's hair, don't try to throw 5 braids in there. Make sure those braids are as small as possible. Once I was done cutting the stocking cap off, I went ahead and I took off all the excess lace on both sides of her ears, because you know you have to cut around her ears so it could fit right on her head. Look at that. Just look at that. So now I'm just going in on my 91% alcohol just to get all the excess oils and makeup residue off her forehead so the glue can really get the job done. Like, because if there's extra stuff on her forehead, the glue really won't it won't lay as good as it should. So you want to make sure you clean off your client's forehead with 91% alcohol for the best results. Always make sure you're going with your hot comb to make sure that wig is as flat as possible, because a hot comb is really a hairstylist's best friend. I once said in one of my previous videos that if you don't have a hot comb, you need to get one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Vihair edge wrap to set my client's edges down to make sure everything is nice and flawless for when I start pressing out her hair. So I went ahead and I took off the edge wrap, and oh my god, look at this flawless body install. This is so cute. This is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I did these curls using my flat iron, but my flat iron plates are really big, so they didn't really come out the way I wanted it to come out. My curling iron decided to break on me the day that I actually needed it. I have so much, but like they were all in my school supply bags, which was in school, so that was just a bad day for me. But these curls are still okay. They still work for me, and this hairstyle ended up to be so cute. Thank you guys so much for tuning back into my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.